Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install RAR and zip file packing and unpacking app on your TCL NxtPaper 10s. So in order to do this, we'll need to open a Google Play Store. From here, let me cancel that first, and from here start search for an app and enter RAR. Hit the search button. Now select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we can open this app. From here, grant it all file access. Go back and dismiss. And here's the app ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.